Duterte to deliver the Basic Education Report for 2024 and introduce our guest of honor.
His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, Senator Pia Cayetano, members of the Diplomatic Corps, mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum, madayaw, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Araw-araw, iba't ibang hamon ang kinakaharap natin. At hindi po natin itinatanggi na maraming pagsubok ang dumarakas ng mga hamong ito sa mga muka ng ating mga mag-aaral, ng ating mga guro, at ng ating mga kawani. Ngunit sa kabila nito, makikita rin natin ang iba't ibang muka ng pagsisikap na nakaangkla sa sinumpaang bokasyon, sa pagnanais na maglingkod at sa hangaring matupad ang mga pangarap. Sa mga mukhang ito po tayo humuhugot ng lakas. Ang mga mukhang ito ang tumutulak sa atin na ipagpatuloy ang layuning maitaas ang antas ng edukasyon sa bagong Pilipinas. As we persevere to change the educational landscape in our country, we take inspiration from our fellow Filipinos, from our farmers who cultivate the soil of the land, plant seeds for our consumption, and nurture it for a collective tomorrow. From our doctors and nurses who save the lives of our loved ones. From our artists whose works of art tell the stories of our nation through colors, words, emotions, dance, and music. From our soldiers who fight for our motherland and tirelessly protect our peace and liberty. From our teachers who devote their lives to teach every child and prepare them for a better future. Education is everybody's business. Education is about nation building. Education is about enabling every Filipino to realize their full potential. Education is about making dreams come true. We all know that the path to one's success is oftentimes rough, but with strong hearts and firm ambitions, we shall overcome. As we stand here today, we reaffirm our commitment to this colossal endeavor, unfazed by the unthinkable. We will bravely take the challenge of sustaining our actions in our matatag agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Basic Education Report 2024. In our commitment to make our curriculum relevant to produce competent, job-ready, active, and responsible citizens, we have launched the Matatag K-10 curriculum. We have decongested the curriculum to focus on the development of foundational skills. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who participated in the public consultation. Insights gathered from the public were truly valuable in finalizing the revised curriculum. After all, this is not simply a DepEd curriculum. This is the basic education curriculum of the Philippines.